Hello and welcome to this week's weekly Forex watch list. And first on the cards tonight is Kiwi CAD. The reason being is we have a nice head and shoulders pattern. It's playing out within a nice rising wedge pattern, very long term. Also, it's rejected this zone as a zone of support resistance. As you can quite clearly see last week and the week before, a bit of deceleration, especially in the lower time frames, and a nice break below this has now signaled that there's more bearish pressure than bullish pressure, and that the bulls have sort of given up, and the bearish traders are now in charge of this market now. So this is one to keep on the watch list for potential shorts on either intraday or daily candles. One we'll keep an eye on throughout the week. Next up is Kiwi Swiss. Something similar to the Kiwi. The Kiwi's a theme this week for the short. So we can see that this trend line goes back for quite a long time. It's now rejecting it and also rejecting another rising wedge type pattern. Broke below it a few weeks ago, came back up, tested it with a nice double top here. Also with a nice historical key line. Wouldn't say it's massively key line, but it's the most recent one we have. And so yeah, this is another one to keep an eye on for the short side. And Kiwi dollar. Let's move on to this. This one, again, Kiwi theme is short, so we have a nice break below this. It's not really an excellent trend line, but the pattern itself is like a bear flag type pattern. This is an overall bearish trend, a nice pullback for the past year and a half. So as you can see, the 200 EMA has been rejected once, twice, and just for the third time there. It's another one to keep an eye on for the week. We'll go over in more detail in the dailies in our website, and keep an eye on what's potentially coming, what we're going to look for, and so on. Finally, let's look at dollar Swiss. Again, to finish off, dollar is also looking quite nice. This one being the dollar Swiss. We have a nice pullback, higher low, no real trend rejection. However, we have a nice historical support line that it is rejecting quite nicely, and the 50 EMA weekly, which has been respected a few times, but not the most in past year or so. But a nice breakout and then a retest of this area is quite bullish looking. So another one to keep an eye on in the dailies and intradays. Again, something we'll go over in our website, within our chat rooms and blog. So hopefully this was of help to you, and we'll see you next week. Thanks very much. Bye bye.